What is going on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your real name over on PlayStation 5. You can do this for a number of reasons, whether that's you just don't want your real name out there, or whether you want it to match your gamer profile. Whatever the case, if you want to do this, make sure that you're signed in to the correct profile, and then head on over to your settings icon here on the top right. From here, you're going to go to Users and Accounts. And then under Account, you're going to go to Profile. From here, you can click on your name. And this is where you can change your name to anything that you want. You can put your real name, but me, for example, I make tutorials and stuff, and I don't want necessarily all of my information out there. So I usually make my real name on everything that I use, my gamer tag or my gamer profile. So that's what I've got here. I've got NobleArcade. And of course, you guys can change it to whatever it is that you want. Once you're done with that, you can come down here, click on confirm, and that will change your real name. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next video.